I just made 3 cups of the smoothest cold brew coffee ever in 15 minutes. I don't know if you can see it. Yes. So happy. Let me show you how I did it. You make it directly in this 1.4 liter glass carafe. It separates the brewing and the storage all in one container, pours so smoothly, and then when you're done, you literally just twist the tap back on, can stick it back in the fridge for up to 10 days. It couldn't be easier. And I particularly love that I can make my entire carafe in about 18 minutes, including all the steps. You simply pour the water up to the fill line, detach the main filler basket from the top, and you want to fill it with about 6 to 9 tablespoons of your best coffee. It needs to be a medium grade up to a full bean. You don't want it going through the filter elements at the end, but it's super easy to top load just like you really would any standard coffee maker. Replace the filter and you're good to attach it back to the main housing unit. From there, with the handle in place, you just simply put the filter and the water pickup tube inside, plug in the unit, and then you'll select the option notice. You know the power is activated when you see the blue light. You'll want to tap that and turn the light on. Then you can see you have light, medium, bold roast, and a cleaning option. I'm going to go medium here. Press the main button and it begins. You'll instantly begin to see the air bubbles coming through the filtration system. It circulates through the glass, and that's what increases the cold brew speed. And because it uses the patented circle flow brewing technology, it continuously just circulates that water through the grounds for faster extraction without the bitterness. And for me, the result was bold, smooth, virtually sediment free. It was a really clean finish, was a lot faster than the traditional 12 to 24 hours of steeping a cold brew. So the problems that it solved, I didn't have the long wait time. I didn't have an inconsistent steep because it just circulates it. Reusable stainless filters means I didn't have messy filtration and sediment going everywhere. I love that I can just store it in the container it's mating, so I don't have like multiple glasses and dishes to wash. And it was very easy to clean up at the end. Once the machine finishes the desired strength, it automatically will shut off. You can unplug the unit and you've got cold brew ready to go. Bold, fast flavor, all in one glass, one carafe. Self-cleaning makes it super easy, convenient cold brew system for at-home personal use. So overall, does it work? Yes. For me, was it super smooth? Yes. Should you be on the fence? No. I'm completely pleased with this. Thanks so much to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.